Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
You're in Macau and you're going to be checking out a patio. So these patios are kind of really cool in Macau, and there's lots of news stories about them as well because they're kind of unique. And this particular one is called Pátio do Rochedo, which is like rock courtyard. Patio is a courtyard in English, which is just like this little plaza surrounded by, it's like kind of like an alley, but not really an alley, but it's a plaza, but it's not really a plaza. And they're just kind of like little residential areas around it and kind of a little quiet space in the big city. And this one is Rochedo. And this one is kind of interesting. You got one colonial building on one side and one down the street a little bit as well. And it goes in between. So we're going to be kind of meandering around, and it's kind of a somewhat of a figure 8 or more of like a figure 6, because we're going to go around one and down the other. But Rochedo is like a L-shaped patio. Nonetheless, the map behind us, and let's just get into it. I know you want to see it, and I'm going to play this to some music first. I'll do a 75-second preview with music, and then we'll get into my walk and talk with the camera. Macau, the courtyard.
Oh my Macau, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau.
Okay, this is a little courtyard, Pátio do Rochedo. Got a beautiful building and some nice, we'll speculate on that in a moment, but that's our courtyard. I'm going to come out over here in a little bit as well. But this is where we're starting at. And we're going to go up around through this little space next to this colonial building, and then follow it and then come around the front, and we're also going to go around that building right there, which is also kind of colonial looking. So stay tuned for this Pátio do Rochedo. Okay, so Rochedo. Let's kind of check out some of the architecture here. So actually, I don't know how these would have worked historically, but it looks like they got hinges right here, and they probably would have opened up. So you would have let me just kind of back up a little bit. And you can see some of them are open up at the top as well. So this is this little courtyard. They got some businesses in here as well. little salon. Apartments up here even. Small little windows. Oh, actually, I can see how this works now. So this would have actually been a door. Okay, there's a courtyard in there as well. So this is a really beautiful building, especially from the outside. We might actually do a little bit of a figure eight where we go around Rochedo. So that's our courtyard. A little shrine right there. So we're gonna go up this way, which is also part of Rochedo. And then straight ahead right there is a Portuguese consulate. And as an aside, that Portuguese consulate used to be a hospital. And I heard that it was, I think they had like, there's a lot of history to it. And then it was given to the Portuguese consulate. So let's go up. And you can see this is still the courtyard because there's a sign right there that says Rochedo right there. There's a billboard. So let's go this way. Now we're on some black and white tiles. That's Rochedo right there. And then you also got some kind of interesting buildings up here as well. Just gonna walk down by this real quick. There's also like a little, like a bar right here. It's like now it's a restaurant. Like a beautiful window. But yeah, that one looks really cool. And right across the street is the consulate. Got some nice apartments everywhere. So let's go down a little bit, and then we'll try to get a view after we look at our courtyard again. Courtyard. This particular street plus the Portuguese consulate. And now we're gonna walk up the hill a little bit, and then we're gonna come around, and then you're gonna see another nice building right coming up this way, which is this one right here. And we're gonna go across in a moment. Got the Portuguese consulate right there. That's where we were at, just that little courtyard. And then if you can see up there, there's a little thing up there. I think they were doing this thing called let's just look at that real quick. You can see it right there. There's a Portuguese person right there, mannequin. So they were doing music from this balcony. They called it one second here. What's that called? Something in the Janela. There's another angle of the Portuguese consulate. There's that beautiful building. So we basically walked on the other side of it. It's that music. There's a really beautiful musical form from Portugal. Something in Janela. Passado. So now you got that beautiful view right there. So our courtyard, our patio was down the hill a little bit. So we are gonna go down. Then you got the beauty of this one. Another street, Travessa do Padre Soares. Little shop in there. It's a nice, beautiful architecture. And that's our little patio right there. You also have a little place called Healer, which used to be a different name. And that's our courtyard again, Rochedo. And we're just going to come back slightly. Take a look at it. So you have some apartments right in the middle there, and then you have that beautiful architecture at the base of the street. And then you have this one as well. This one will look more amazing when you get out to the front. So we're just gonna walk over there real quick. Just give you some context of it. Let me see. Let's kind of walk this way. Now you can see the beauty of this particular building. So when we started out, we were looking at that backside of this one, but from the front you can see how magnificent it looks. And this particular street right here would have been called Camp Rua do Campo, which is like Field Street. So originally this would have been this beautiful mansion kind of going north of the Portuguese settlement into the northern fields going towards China historically. Now it's all part of Macau, of course. And then we'll just kind of give you, there's more stuff over here, including these interesting architectural buildings like that, like those right there. There you go. Pretty nice. So we're gonna just come back over to this side. Now you can see it from here. That big one. And our little courtyard, Rochedo, which is right on the right there. So let's end it here.